As the traditional Spring Festival shopping spree is in full swing, railway authorities in the mountainous regions of northeast China's Liaoning province have devoted efforts to turn the slow trains into New Year markets. Residents living in scattered settlements in mountains welcomed the New Year markets on trains. For residents like 68-year-old Lu Yingming, a villager in Xicheng town, a ride of no more than an hour means the sold out of all her 80 goose eggs.
从2019年开始呢，我们根据沿途各线旅客的一些需求，不定期的开办列车大集。列车大集呢，旅客非常多，拿的农产品呢也非常多，有那个猪肉啊，还有鸡，还有榛子，还有一些土特产上车了以后，进行售卖。
The rumbling trains have served residents of remote areas with stable ticket prices and services.
在新的一年里，希望我们列车大集能够越办越好，越办越热闹，继续为沿途百姓做好服务。